Alright, let's work on number 21 for the practice exam. A sample was taken of the verbal GRE scores of 20 applicants to graduate school at a large Midwestern university. Below are the scores. And you have, here we go, 20 scores, and A is asking the mean applicant score. So how do we find the mean applicant score? Just so you know, GRE scoring scale is not this way anymore. They've changed it since this past year. So any of you taking the GRE, it's scaled differently now. Anyway, what we could do is we could do it by hand, adding all these 20 numbers and dividing it by 20. But because we know how to use the calculator to solve for this, let's just use the calculator. Let's just use the calculator because it's faster. And I've already put all the numbers into the calculator just to save time. The most important thing for exams when you input these numbers into the calculator is to check and verify that all the numbers are accurate. Just because, although you know how to do it and you know what it all means, one little mistake in the calculator will, result to incorrect answers, and you'll feel really bad if you already know how to do it, but just one little mistake, like you put a 2 instead of a 1, and you lose out on points. So just check. So let's check all the numbers: 520, 310, 340, 350, 370, 410, 420, 420, 420, 720, 490, 510, 280, 520, 610, 670, 600, 770, 750, 470. Alright, we're set. To calculate the mean, let's go press stat, go to the second column, first bar stat, right? That takes us home, and then we want to indicate that we want to get the information for list 1, so second 1. And then press enter. And here we go, 497.5 is our mean. Now I know it says here show all your work, but if you want to show all your work and show that you're adding 510 plus 310 and dividing everything by 20, if you want to write all that out, you can. For my class at least, I've already established that I know that I've taught it through the calculator, and it's not necessary for them to show all of that. The only work that I need to see, and I don't know the case for Brother Hyde or Brother Crossing, you're going to have to ask them, but the only work that I really want you to show is for D, because it's more than just calculator work. So for letter A, you just need to put x bar is equal to 497.5. And then you probably are asking it because it's not indicating how much you're supposed to round off. Well, a good rule of thumb is to round off by 2 decimal places. If you want to be safe, just put all of it in. Anyway, x bar is 497.5. In the standard deviation, we always use x, or s, remember s of x. It's 147.5. So if you want to round it off to 2 decimal places, 147.50. Or you could write the whole thing down. Really, again, doesn't matter. Just as long as it's 2 decimal places. And then the median, we scroll down for the median. It's 480. So how do we find the 5-number summary? Actually, sorry. The 5-number summary, I don't want you don't necessarily have to do work here or show work here. 5-number summary, if you remember, is the minimum, the first quartile, the median, the third quartile, and the max. And look, when we input it in the calculator and we scroll down, we get all that information. So minimum 280. So for this, put min is equal to 280, quartile 1 390, median 480, quartile 3605, max 770. That's it. So really, the only one that you need to show work on is letter E, and we're going to do letter E in the next video. But again, just make sure you put x bar equal, sigma equal, median equal. So do that much. Don't just put numbers on. But again, I don't know if that's the case for Brother Hyde's class or Brother Carlson's. For Brother Albarota's class, that's all that I'm requiring of you because I've taught you in the calculator, and it's already established between students and instructor that you know how to do it. Or yeah, I'm not gonna battle ball anymore. That's how you do 21A through D. I'm gonna do E in the next video.